Hi, so we're looking at sums on input output. Let's look at first how these things are arranged. If you look at numbers, look at the last step. Numbers are arranged in ascending order of the sum of digits 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and words are arranged in descending order of number of letters. So there are 5 letters out here, 6 letters out here, and so on. So descending on number of letters. Also, if you look at input to step 1, what's happening in first step? 52 comes in the left hand side. Step 1 to step 2, fertilizer is coming on the left hand side. So one thing element is arranged. So basically it's a sequence where one elements are arranged in order. So let's try to, so one way to solve is just write down the first step is normally write down the whole sequence. 12 will be arranged first, that's the minimum number of sum of digits. Then will be 63 third step. Then 37 in the fifth step, 94 in the seventh step, and 59 in the ninth step. If you look at words, the largest will be first. So traveling in the second step, countries in the fourth step. Then comes across six, more number of letters. Then globe will be eight. Rome will be automatically arranged in the end. So if you look at it, now let's try to arrange it. Try to look at one way is to try to arrange. If you look at in step one, so we come 12 will come on the left. 12 Rome countries 37 traveling 59 across 63 and so on. Step 2, 12 will be as it is, but what will come out here is traveling. So traveling Rome countries 37, 59 across 63 and so on. Third step, 12 will remain as it is, traveling will remain as it is, 63 will come. 63 Rome countries 37, 59 um, across and so on. Fourth step, what are the fourth countries? So countries will come into fourth. Rome 37, 59 across and so on. Fifth step, countries is there. So fifth step 37 will come. So Rome 59 across and so on. So let's solve. Which of the following sequence of element is unique, not repeated? Now let's look at countries 37 and 59. Where does it come to? Countries 37 and 59 comes here. Countries 37 and 59 comes out here. It's repeated. So not the answer. Countries 37 across. So if you look at here, countries and 37 come, next step across will come out here. So and that will get repeated again. So this also is not the answer. Countries Rome 37. Countries Rome 37 is only once out here. It's not repeated again anytime. So D option is unique. It's not repeated again. After completion of step 3, how many steps are needed in each of the final output? So if you look at out here, there are 9 steps in the output. After 3 steps, 9 minus 3, 6 steps are required in the output. B option. Because Rome is on the left hand side, everything has to go before Rome. 9 elements after Rome, all these 9 elements have to be arranged. Because Rome will come in the end. So all these 9 elements have to be arranged before Rome. So 9 steps. Minus 3 already over, so 6. Which of the following will be fourth to the right of second element from the left hand in step 3? To step 3, 4 to the right of second element from the left. So 6 elements. 6 element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 37. Okay. 6 element in step 3. How many words are there between third element from left and second element from right in step 8? Look at step 8 is almost the second last step where already first 8 elements are arranged. The last 2 elements are not arranged, that's all. And it starts with number, word, and so on. So how many are between third element from the left, which is number, and second element from right? So you can look at there will be 5 elements, word, number, word. Because 3 are gone out here, 2 are gone out here. There will be 5 elements in between with 3 words. So you can clearly make out there will be 3 words. So answer will be A option. Which of the following is third to the left of across in the final output? So third to the left of across in the final output. Across is the sixth element. Fifth, fourth, third. Third to the left will be 63. B option. Technically, you can also solve this by without writing all the steps. I mean, if you look at most of the sums are solved without writing, except for one of these some third sum I've looked at the steps and got the answer. But there also you can actually solve by without writing. Okay, and you can make out. So there are ways and tricks and means in an input output to solve it without writing. It is always possible to get it faster and get the answer quickly. Right? Try that. If you can do that, that is always. For example, let me just take the third sum. Instead of following is 4 to the right of second element from left. So in step 3, 3 elements are already arranged. In step 3, 3 elements are already arranged. So what will come after that? So one will be Rome, countries, and 37. Fourth, fifth, sixth element. So 37 will be the sixth element. So three elements already arranged in step 3. So fourth, fifth, sixth will be 37 because 12 is already arranged. So Rome will be fourth, countries will be fifth, and 37 will be sixth if you look at the original statement. So that is the 37. You can mark the answer same way, right? And similarly, you can solve all these steps which are there, even the first one, and you can get the answer. Thank you.